Hi, I'm Jill, and welcome to a new 2-minute tongue twister challenge. This time we're focusing on the sound N. So I have just 6 words put together that start with the sound N. So this week's tongue twister is 9 nice night nurses nursing nicely. So this is just 6 words. Every word starts with an N. So 9, nice, night, nurses, nursing, nicely. So let's put it all together. 9 nice night nurses nursing nicely. Now, you try. So how did you go? Could you say this week's tongue twister? 9 nice night nurses nursing nicely? Keep trying. Just a little bit of practice every day will help to improve your English pronunciation, which in turn will help your English listening. There are lots more tongue twisters, limericks, and other ways to practice your English pronunciation on Jill's English Pronunciation Gym, right here on my YouTube channel or in the Study HQ Cairns website. So you can head over there anytime for a workout, work those English muscles, and improve your English pronunciation. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.